Hey, it's Megan with WTI, and I don't know if you have encountered this situation or not, but every time I go to a hotel, it always seems like there's only one or two mirrors, and they're always in these really poorly lit areas. But now, to remedy that situation, I have this Mavoro lighted travel mirror. I feel like this mirror is the perfect size for seeing my whole face while doing my makeup. It is a great size for taking in my overnight bag or for packing in my luggage. When you open it up, it has two mirrors. One is for magnifying and one is just your regular mirror. I find both of the mirrors to be excellent crystal clear quality. The light for this travel mirror is an absolute breeze and a delight to use. It is very bright and it's also adjustable. To turn on the light, I simply tap the touch button right on the mirror. I can tap it 2 more times to change the warmth of the light. Something that I think is so cool is that I just have to keep my finger touched on the button and it will adjust the brightness gradually up or down. It's awesome to me that this mirror is rechargeable, so I never have to worry about having batteries with me. I simply plug it into a standard USB port, and when the light changes to blue, I know that the mirror is fully charged. I never have to be nervous anymore about going out into the full light of day after doing my makeup in a dim hotel room, now that I have this Mavoro travel lighted mirror. And that's my point of view.